What's up guys, John, Forza Tuning, finishing up a stage 4R kit, doing a final inspection, and then welding the exhaust up. Have some issues with the exhaust coming loose after a few drives on testing, so instead of using a kit that has a ton of clamps and hardware, we decided to start welding the kits. Seem to be a little bit easier and streamlined, so hopefully works out. Less issues of rubbing and coming loose.
Sponsored by Bang.
Yeah, sponsored by Bang.
We're gonna drive this 675, make sure all the faults are gone, and then I'm gonna take Claire for a ride because she has never driven in a fast car or ridden in a fast car before. So,
would you consider this a fast car?
For a stock car, yeah, I think so. I think it does really good for a stock car.
Awesome.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You know what car that is?
Yes. No. Something that looks fast.
Yeah.
Slightly scary. Oh my god. That's like, that's not, that's...
Does it feel fast to you? They don't feel fast to me anymore.
That doesn't, no?
No.
What feels fast to you?
I don't, it has to be because I have to tune them, so after one I drive, after a while it's like, get used to it.
You get used to it? Is there one that specifically, like, you're like, that's really fast?
Yeah, some of like the demons and stuff, because they're like so hard to control.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
Or like a stereo or something, or you get like your car or something, it's like sounds loud, but if you have it for a little bit, it doesn't sound loud anymore.
Uh-huh.
Right, it's kind of like that, I think.
You're just
like,
like, yeah.
no, I want it louder. What did sound loud doesn't sound loud anymore.
I just like want to like grab something. Oh my god. I'm live.
How was it?
Terrifying. I wish I didn't kick it up.
Couldn't be that bad.
I was like reaching for
There's a problem with the what?
Okay, so a customer just dropped off this HURACAN Performante. Super cool color. He was down here on vacation. He had another car here, and his buddy was driving the car, and somebody accidentally in a Ford truck, I think, bumped the back and cracked some of the forged carbon. Kind of tweaked the lid up a little bit, so it doesn't look crazy, you know, bad. But we're gonna take it apart, see what's bent and broken, fix it, and then we're gonna be doing some performance stuff to it as well. So stay tuned for that.
All right, what's going on, Jeremy?
Here we are, gonna get a Raptor dirty. Came in for paint correction and ceramic coat. The truck's clean, so not really good before and afters. So we're gonna fix that and get it dirty. Brody needed good footage, so I got it dirty. Are you gonna cover that tab? Come take a look.
Is it bad?
Just look at my camera.
I can see Brody's face.
What do you think, Bren?
You think the shop will get dirty like this?
Yeah.